As industries continue to evolve, the gap between academic learning and workplace expectations has become more noticeable. This initiative with Mangalam University is aimed at helping students strengthen their foundational and practical skills.
The intent behind this program is simple: to support learners in gaining exposure to practical tools and methods. These are which used in today's work environment. These sessions are designed to introduce real-world challenges, improve problem-solving skills, and foster a mindset geared towards continuous learning.
Our engagement with Mangalam University focuses on enabling students to learn through application, with content that is current, contextual, and relevant to the roles they may step into. We are here to ensure that each student enrolled in this program receive a meaningful, engaging learning experience that adds value to their academic journey.
We at Mangalam University ensure that our curriculum is industry-driven, industry-led, and industry-trained. An effort in the same direction is our collaboration with EY India. This collaboration involves trainers from EY India who will come and deliver the curriculum on campus. Students get an opportunity to learn from trainers of the best expertise and experience, also get the best industry exposure as they get their cases from their workplace inside the classes, and the students get certifications which can then be showcased to enrich their profiles. This is a significant milestone in our efforts to bridge the gap between industry and academia, which has been reeling the academics for long. We hope that this enriching relationship will continue for long and will help our curriculum get all the enrichment of financial, technological, and analytical advancements in the industry straight into our classrooms, making our students industry ready from day one of their work life. We thank EY India for this collaboration with us.